In this video, I'll show you how to use this 1/5 face ratio filter on TikTok. So apparently you need to have 20/20/20/20/20, which basically makes you look beautiful. So let me show you how to find this filter and how to use it. So before you begin, you want to first go to your Play Store or your App Store. You want to search for TikTok and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Now once that's updated, you want to go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, you're tapping on search and you're searching for 1/5 face ratio. Now in the search results, you're looking for this effect here, 1/5 face ratio filter. So go ahead and tap on it. And now to use it, go ahead and tap on use this effect. This will take you into TikTok's recording screen. Go ahead and show your face to the camera and make sure you're facing exactly straight. And now try to align your face so you get all the 20 readings. Now you can go ahead and press the record button and record your video on TikTok. So there you go. That is how to use the trending 1/5 face ratio filter on TikTok. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.